Step three, finding the right home. We finished the introduction uh, conversation. We finished talking to the lender. We know our payments. We know our sales price. We know what loan type. Now let's go find the home. Okay. The agents that I work with and we're going to set you up a search that way you've got homes straight from the MLS. But if you find homes on other things like Facebook Marketplace, other different websites, send them to us so we could check them out. Okay. Maybe we need to adjust our search a little bit to make sure that those homes are showing up, or maybe those homes aren't what you've talked about. They're missing a bathroom, or they don't have the size yard that you want. Send them to so we can take a look at it. Okay. And then we'll schedule our showings. We can usually see about 3 houses per day. Sorry, I'm forgetting to push my little banners. We usually see 3 houses per hour, and we start looking for homes together, okay? And then we schedule, like, if there's 6 homes you want to see when you get off work, and you get off work at 5:30, 6 homes, you'll be done probably around 7:30. That makes sense? About 3 homes per hour. And when we're looking at these homes, we're just going through, we're seeing if the floor plans work. We're seeing if we are okay with the neighbors. If the neighbors have some dogs in their backyard and we're not okay with that, let's go to the next one. If we pull up in the drive and there's something that's just off, you're like, this isn't the one. You don't need to go in. It's okay. Let's go look at the next house. We've got 5 other houses to look at. All right. Does that make sense? Maybe it's not within the right distance to your church. It's further away than you expected. You want to be within 10 minutes of church. That way you can get there when it's time to go to church rather than 30 minutes from church. That's a big deal. That's a big deal. Or maybe it's not within walking distance to the kiddos' elementary school or something along that, or the dog's dog park or something along those lines. Okay. We're just going through and seeing if it works. That's what we're doing when we're trying to find the right home. You don't have to fall in love with it right away. We're just going through on the initial showing and seeing if it works. If you're new to the channel, my name is Josh Barnett. I'm an agent over at XP Realty. For all your real estate needs, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email. The agents that I work with, XP Realty, and we're absolutely here to help you when it comes time to finding your new home in the Jenks metro area. Okay, so typically 3 homes per hour. Already talked about that. Sorry. And then sometimes there'll be other agents and buyers at the showings too. And that's something you want to be aware of. It's okay. But if you love the house, pretend that you don't. Be like, oh my gosh, is this settling over here? Or, oh my gosh, right here, smells like cat urine. Smells like cat urine. It's horrible. All right. Right? Okay. You don't want someone else to fall in love with your home, do you? If you like it. If you don't like it, you don't have to do stuff like that. But if you do like it, man, it doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt. It's a competitive environment, especially on the good homes. The good homes go right away, which leads me into item number 6 that I want to talk with you about when you're buying your Jenks, Oklahoma home or land is there could be multiple offers, especially on good homes. So step 3, finding your new home. After we finish the financing step, after we finished the step 2 financing, step 1, which is the initial call, step 3 is all about going and finding the right home. So that was a quick summary on it. 3 houses per hour when you're in the metro. If you're looking at rural properties, about 2 houses per hour. And when we're first going through their houses, we're just making sure it fits. We're making sure it flows, especially if we're looking at 6 to 9 houses in one showing. That's a lot of houses in one showing. 3 hours of looking at houses, that's a lot. And you're taking in the neighbors, you're taking in the big stuff. Okay? In an effort to find the right one. And then when you do find the right one, you're going to know it right away. I promise you, it's going to come to you. You're going to be like, oh, wow, this is the one. What's the next step? And the next step is step 4. And we'll go over that on the next video. For all your real estate needs, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email. The agents that I work with, XP Realty, and we're absolutely here to earn your business and help you when you're relocated to move to or move within Jenks, Oklahoma, in the Jenks, Oklahoma metro area. See you guys on the next video.